Hey guys, my name is Deepak Chah and today we will learn about anchor tag in HTML. The anchor tag defines a hyperlink which is used to link from one page to another. The most important attribute of the anchor element is href attribute, which indicates the link designation. Let's take an example. First, create a new file and very first line is same doc type HTML and then start the HTML tag and now close the HTML tag. Save the file first and link.html and type is all type and now save it. Start the head tag, head, and close the head tag. Now start the body tag and close the body tag. Now start the title tag and put your title, and my is link example. Now close the title tag. Now in body tag write your markup and start with the heading, that is h3, and write heading anything like anchor example. And now let's take example of anchor. Okay, fine. Now ahref is equal to your URL and let's write https w3tpoint.com/html and text is HTML tutorial. Now close the anchor tag. Use another anchor. ahref is equal to https w3tpoint.com/php. PHP tutorial is the content, and now close the anchor tag. And now save the code and run in the browser. Open the file and just double click on the file, and you see anchor tag is heading and we have to anchor tag HTML tutorial and the PHP tutorial. If you visit HTML, then the designation URL comes. Maximize it and now you can see it. And for the PHP, another one, the URL is open, w3tpoint.com/php. Okay, wait a minute, let me add a BR tag, and BR is for the line break. Now save it, refresh the page, and fine. Alright.